Attention everybody, it is Wild Wild West Week. And before we start our project, wash your hands. Nice job there, Cowboy Steven. Beautiful.
Paper towel.
Well, I sure can. That's great asking. We have Rice Krispy Treats, Rex style, but we're gonna put a little spin on it, my friends. Wild Wild West style.
Yep.
So first things first.
Big bowl.
Big bowl. We need to put our four
Cups.
cups, not 8, 4 of marshmallows, and you're gonna need a whole stick of butter. Once you got both of those together, Stephen, would you mind taking that right on over to the microwave and set it for 2 minutes?
Wow.
Please do not hurt yourself along the way.
Alright, we stirred it every 30 seconds for 2 minutes.
Wonderful job, Stephen.
It's about to come out. And it looks like this.
Ooh, go ahead and give that a good stir.
Yeah, make sure all the butter's melted. And all of the marshmallows are liquid. And we're gonna bring it over here.
Nice good syrup solution.
Yep.
Beautiful.
So, before we add our 6 cups of Rice Krispies,
We're gonna need some green food coloring because we're turning our Rice Krispies today into a cactus.
there's a couple drops.
You can always add more later.
We want it nice and cactus colored.
As cactus colored as you can get. We want to be authentic here at the Rec.
How's that look?
That looks beautiful.
Alright.
Love it. All right, on our next step, one of my favorite parts, we're gonna add six cups of Rice Krispies. Let's get started. One of my favorite things to do with the Rec.
Are you scooping or pouring?
Today I feel like scooping, Stephen.
Okay.
But I appreciate you being right there for me.
1. Four. Six. Then we're gonna stir it all up.
Make sure you get all those Rice Krispies nice and green. Smother them. You want to hear the snap, crackle, pop as you go. And who cares if you make a mess along the way? Life is a mess and it's all about what you do with it. And we're turning our life into some Rice Krispies.
Messes aren't hard to clean up.
And they sure can be delicious.
Yes.
Look at that beautiful start over there. Look at those Rice Krispies. Oh my gosh.
They look really good.
Kind of want to eat it now, but we can't. You want to know why, Stephen?
Why?
Because we're going to be putting it right down here onto our wonderful plate here.
Right onto wax paper, because it'll stick to a pan. Right?
That it will. And then you'll never get it off and it'll be delicious. You want to press it nice and flat.
Yeah.
It's always useful having more than one friend so they can hold down your wax paper.
And you want it to be flat so it cools faster. And better.
Now that is some science. Some Wild Wild West science.
There we go.
Beautiful. All right, we're going to let her go ahead and cool, ladies and gentlemen, and we will be back soon. Final products. All right, while we wait for our Rice Krispies to cool, I saved a couple marshmallows. Stephen and I are going to make ourselves a couple s'mores, and then we'll get right back to it. Steven, I'm hungry. And I think the Rice Krispies are done.
They're probably ready. Let's do it. So how are these Wild West themed?
Well, I'm gonna show you. Well, we did yesterday. Draw them a beautiful shade of green, a cacti color.
They're usually green.
What we're gonna do is we are gonna turn our Rice Krispies into a cactus. And we're gonna sprinkle it with some extra sprinkles to make it shiny and thorny.
Yeah.
All right, so what you wanna do first is you wanna cut up your like giant head of Rice Krispies. We did a great job of doing that earlier, as you can tell by all the wonderful sections we have created. Well, you wanna get one piece, because it's gonna be the center body. What you wanna do is kind of press it down nice and flat on your plate. And you want to take one side, make it flat, and on the other side, make it round to be the top of your cactus. You can make a short cactus, you can make a tall cactus, a fat cactus, skinny cactus, any kind of cactus your heart wants. All right, now that you've got the body, you're gonna need another piece that you can section off from your main piece.
We're gonna roll this one.
Roll it like a worm.
Worm.
Like a worm. You don't roll your worms?
I was thinking more like a snake.
Well, I see you roll your snakes, I roll my worms.
Got it.
All right, what you want to do is you want to press down one end to your body, to your cactus body, and then you want to curve up the piece almost in like an L shape. And last but not least, to give yourself some thorns, because those cacti got some nasty thorns on them, but we're going to make our thorns delicious. You want to take a dark green
Crystals.
sprinkle crystals, and go ahead.
Shake it on over. That looks spiky. I don't want to touch that.
But you won't, you're gonna want to eat it. And once you're finished, show it off to all your friends and family, and then enjoy.
That's good.
Just right.